Hello, welcome to this tutorial lesson. In this series, we are going to build an authentication system using Go language, and we are going to do registration, login, reset password, forget password, verification, and all that. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and stay tuned as we go through all these lessons one by one. This will be a very beginner friendly. I will explain most of the very basic principles and the very basic methods in Go for you to understand. So let's go through the project that we will be building. So this is the home page, the authentication system. So when you click on the logo here, auth system, it actually refreshes. That means that it brings us to the home page. Now, because we have not yet logged in, we can see please log in or sign up to continue. So welcome to the auth system. So here's the login. If you click, this is the login page that comes. Great, and all that. So we are actually going to build this with no JavaScript at the front end. So the backend Go language handles all the validation on the server, and it's going to be a lively one. So you basically understand everything when it comes to authentication, basically. So when you come to the sign up page, there's the sign up, and we are going to build everything from scratch. So when we come here, we see forget password. It also brings you to the forget password. So now let's start with the sign up and let's see how it goes. Now with the sign up, let's say the username, I will do Ishmael myself. Then with the email address, I will do Ishmael at gmail.com. Good. Now, if I do the password 123 and I come here and do 12 and I click sign up, now you see it's giving me password must be at least 8 characters long and password do not match. So this validation is actually on the server side, no JavaScript, and we will build everything. Good. Now let me do again. Let's say that my username, I am using only IS. So, and let me continue with the proper password, and let's see, let me confirm again over here, and let me sign up. Now you see, because I just did IS, it's giving me username must be between 3 to 20 characters. So all this validation is on the server side using Go. Good. Now let's sign up finally, and let's get into it. Okay, so let's me do Ishmael, then the password 1234567 then a letter. So if let's check another validation over here. So I've done 8. Okay, let me again do 1234567 8. Okay, good. Now you see another validation over here is giving me password must contain at least one letter and one number. So good. Now let's finally get into it. 1234567 8, then a letter A. Okay, 1234567 8, then a letter A. Good. Now let's sign up. Okay, good. Now we see it over here. It's good. Now, account created successfully. Please check your email to verify your account. Now, without verifying our email, let's try to log in and see what happens. Now, let me do a random password and see. Good. Now, it says your account is not verified. Please check your email for verification link. If you did not receive it, you can do a resend over here. Now, even if I do a proper the correct password, it will still give me your account is not verified. Now let's check our email to see. I'm using Mailtrap for my email server, so let me check it. Okay, so inside our mailbox here we get our verification email. Okay, now let's get into it and let's look at the content. Good. Now we see, hello Ishmael, thank you for signing up. Please verify your email address by clicking the link below. Okay, now this is the link. We can copy it and come into our browser and then paste it over here and enter. Now we see we're getting email verified successfully. Please log in. Good. Now we can log in. Now let's try a wrong password to see what happens. Good. Invalid email or password. Good. Our validation is working. Now let's do a correct password and continue from there. Good. Now we are logging. Now you see, welcome Ishmael. You have successfully logged in. Now we get it on the nav bar also here. Welcome Ishmael. Now we get the log out, mean that we are logging. We get our profile here. So in our profile here, when we click the profile, it brings us to our profile update where we can actually change our username and change our email address too. So when I do Ishmael, when I change the username Ishmael to Ishmael25 and update, I get profile updated successfully. Automatically, we see my username being updated to Ishmael25. When I come to the home page, it is also reflecting over here Ishmael25. Good. So our profile update is working. Now, when I do email address update, we have to verify the account again. Yeah, so for industry grade authentication, so you can't easily change your email address just like that. So let's say I am changing the email address to ishmael25 at gmail.com. Because we are changing the email address, let's update also and see. Now clicking on the update profile, it will have to send on the back end. So let's see. Good. Profile updated. Please verify your new email address. Great. So now when we come to our mail trap, we get the verification again over here. Good. With our verification link. So we can actually copy it and let me log out. Good. Now logging out. Let me copy the link again, or else when you try to log in, we will get unverified. So let me click, paste the link over here again. Now we get email verified successfully. Now we can log in back again. Good. Now let's look at creating. Okay, let's check the database to see what is happening, whether we are getting everything. Good. Now this is our database, go auth db. Now we have our users over here. Now we see Ishmael25 is updated over here. Ishmael25 at gmail.com is updated over here in our database. Now let's continue to create another another account as well. Let's say the user is called Bob. Let's say Bob. Then let's do Bob at gmail.com. Let's use the same password and confirm it. Okay, and let's sign up. Good. Now we see it's also gone through. Let's check the database. Okay, it's working perfectly. Great. Now let's log in and try to change the email address, or like let's try to let's update the username. Before then, let's do another sign up with the email address, the username Bob. We've already created an account for username Bob. Let's try to repeat it and let's see. And in this case, let's say Fred at gmail.com with the same password. Now let's sign up to see. Now you see we are getting email or username already exists. So meaning that the username we are using here, it already exists in the database. We first created an account with Bob as the username. So we are doing all these validations so that username is always unique. Great. Now let's log in for Bob. let's log in for Bob over here and do our password. Good. Bob has not yet verified the account. Let's verify it again here. Good. Now we have it here. Let's copy it and paste it over here. Good. Now Bob is verified. Let's log in now and get in. Good. Now welcome Bob. You have successfully logged in. Now when you come to the profile, we have Bob. Now let's say we are updating the username even over here to Ishmael25. And let's see. Good. Username is already taken. So username validation is also being applied from here. And in this series, we are also applying CSRF. Yes, CSRF token. So CSRF is used to actually secure your authentication system and prevent your application from hackers from hacking or into your database or into your application. So every form that we submit goes with a CRF token. So in this series, I will show you how to apply that CRF middleware in Golang in all our forms. Great. Now let's log out and check the forget password to see how it is also working. Let's log out and let's come in, log in. So assuming we've forgotten our password, let's come to forget password. Now we enter our um, email address, let's say for the Bob, and do send reset link. Send reset link. So if an account exists, then a reset link has been sent to your email. Now if you come to our mail trap, our inbox is reloading. Good. Now we get the password reset request and we have it over here. You requested a password reset. Click the link below to reset your password. Great. So when we copy the link and come here, paste it over here and click enter, now we get our reset password form where we are given the opportunity to give our new password. So let's say our new password is 123456789. This time we are adding 9, then a. Let's repeat it again with a. Good. Password reset successfully. Please log in with your new password. Exactly. Good. So it's working. It's working. So let's create a new account and check the verification reset link. Now let's do John. Then let's say the email address is john@gmail.com with our usual password and confirm. Good. So please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like the video, like the series, all the videos that I will be uploading, and follow along and learn one or two things in Go. Good. Now let's assume now a verification email has been sent to our email. Now let's try to log in without the verification. That is where we get your account is not verified. So when we come here, we see the verification. So we are not going to verify now. We are going to do the resend password. So automatically when you do the resend, it will resend another email to the email address you provided here. So you are not going to re-enter your email address again. So let's click the resend. So when I click the resend, it will send the email. Good. Verification email resent. Please check your email. Now when we come here, we get its verification email address for John again over here. Good. So let's check our database once again to see the users. Okay, they are all being logged. We have the John here, Bob here, Ishmael here. Good. So thank you very much. This is the project we are going to build, and It will solidify your understanding in the Go programming language, and we are going to build everything from scratch without JavaScript on the front end, and you will love it from the beginning. So please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, comment in the comment section below if you have any question. Thank you very much.